Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Ethernet gives a stable, low-latency connection for streaming and gaming. It commonly supports 1 Gbps speeds on Cat5e or Cat6 cabling in homes. Copper Ethernet cables are rated to run up to 100 meters without a repeater. Choose Cat6 for better shielding and future-proofing versus Cat5e when possible. Typical retail prices range from $5 for a 25 FT pre-made Cat6 cable. Keep length and speed needs in mind before you buy, or you can buy pre-made Ethernet cables online, at big box stores, or at electronics shops. Online marketplaces offer fast shipping, while local stores give immediate pickup and simple returns. Retailers sell common lengths from 3 FT to 100 FT and bulk 1000 FT spools for installers. Prices vary. Expect about for short cables and 0 or more for long or shielded runs. Check the label for Cat rating, length, and whether it is shielded or stranded for patch use. For the fastest solution, buy a pre-made 25 FT Cat6 cable and plug it in. If you need custom lengths, buy a 100 FT spool and cut to size with RJ45 connectors. Making cables requires a crimper and tester, which costs about $0 for basic tools. Use solid core cable for in-wall runs and stranded cable for patch cords. For permanent installations, terminate wall jacks or hire a professional installer to maintain code compliance and neat cable management.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.